Now let's try the alcohol on the rocking horse. Nope, didn't work. Boo. Toothpaste? I guess I'll give it a try. Of course, we don't have the regular toothpaste, so this is some DIY toothpaste. And it is not working very well at all. Nope. Toothpaste. Boo. It is faded a little bit. I guess that helps a little. Now what? Ugh. All right. Holistic Mama pulls out the big guns. I'm gonna try it. Mr. Clean Magic Eraser will actually get blue permanent marker off of our homemade wooden rocking horse that the kid's uncle made. So let's try this out. Alright, I got it wet already. Hold it still. Oh no, it's doing it. Look how quickly it did it. Wow.
Oh, that's working very well.
It's coming off. Mr. Clean works. Wonder how bad it is.
We should do like a...
I wonder if it's like, it might not be that bad. We'll have to look it up.
We need to do like get a marker on the ball.
Look at this. It's coming up.
We need to do like... I'm gonna take the...
So here, it came clean. Guess what did it? Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. If you know me, it's really hard for me to use stuff like this just because of all the ingredients. But maybe I'll look at the ingredients. They're not actually listed on here. And maybe they'll be okay. Probably not, but we will see. It says cleaning performances versus the leading all-purpose bleach spray. It works though. Thank you, Mr. Clean. All right, let's see what Mr. Google has to say about Mr. Clean. Let's see, we've got ingredients in here. Formaldehyde. Boo. There has to be some kind of natural, like, equivalent to Mr. Clean. If y'all know of any, please comment below and let me know, because this child is killing me. Not really. I love her. She's cute, isn't she?